Meet the press. In 3 easy steps, brew, press, and go for the perfect cup of coffee every time. Fill the basket with medium coarse, freshly ground coffee and add hot water. Gently push the inner press into the tumbler as the rich crema rises to the surface. Our signature microfilter keeps out the grit and prevents overbrewing, so each sip tastes as good as the last. Now you can enjoy your delicious gourmet coffee on the go for hours.
What keeps us going? What energizes us, revitalizes us, and breathes life into ordinary moments? In a world where there's always something to do, a new responsibility to handle, a new problem to solve, how do you stay grounded? Staying grounded is about making the most of the moments you love. Appreciating the little things that remind you to enjoy life along the way. Life isn't meant to be rushed, and your coffee isn't meant to be hurried. It gives meaning to everyday experiences and fuels you through those stressful moments. That first sip always serves as a reset button. One that makes every situation better, every interaction lighter, and every moment yours. When everything in your life fails, your coffee never should. And with us by your side, we promise it never will.
The Café du Chateau French Press. Unlike other cheap presses, this French press uses a 4-level filtration system to give you the purest possible flavor without unwanted grounds or muddiness. The base, lid, and handle are made of 304 grade stainless steel for a resilient shine and rust-free finish. Plus, the removable carafe is made from heavy, tempered borosilicate glass that withstands boiling water. Brew like a barista with the Café du Chateau French Press.